Hello everybody and welcome back to Nan with a Backpack. I thought today I might run through what I brought to the UK with me for 6 weeks because again I thought I was travelling light, but as it transpires I haven't used a lot of the stuff that I brought with me. So I'm just going to run through a few things that I brought and whether I needed them or not. So to travel in, I wore my white shirt with my green trousers. I wore them to travel, haven't tried them on, haven't worn them again since. So actually, I probably would not bring those with me next time because the green trousers, it hasn't been warm enough to wear them. They're very thin material, so wouldn't bring those. My pajamas and my t-shirt, in actual fact, I probably wouldn't bring those again either, even though I had the one night in the hostel, because I could have worn my long comfy trousers in the hostel and a t-shirt. To be honest, I was only actually laying on the bed for 4 hours, so I could have just travelled in those comfy trousers, laid down on top of the bed for a few hours, gone back to the airport and travelled. Because let's face it, when you're travelling, you're all a bit grunge anyway. So yeah, I think that's what I would have done last time. Last time? This time. My green Cambodia t-shirt, definite, that's a yes. And my 2 black vest tops and my one with the cap sleeves as well. Definitely bring those next time because they're good as a base layer. Talking about my black base layer that I brought, I've actually only worn it once, but I would wear it again. I can't even speak this morning. I'm still getting over, you can probably hear with my voice, a little bit of this cold that I've managed to pick up. So yeah, I probably would bring that again, just in case. My green shirt, yes, I would definitely bring that again because I've worn that a lot, as well as my hoodie as well. I've worn this, washed it, worn it, washed it, and my daughter actually gave me a blue and white striped jumper as well. So plenty of jumpers, and I can always borrow one while I'm here. My black trousers with the slit up the side, I haven't actually worn them, but I would probably still put them in just in case of going out for a nice evening or something like that, although this time haven't had the opportunity to do that. But before I carry on, I just want to tell you about something that was sent to me. So we're going to jump to a new clip. If it's not something you're interested in, I'll put it in the timeline so you can jump ahead. A lovely lady from a company called Tomtoc recently reached out to me and sent me 2 bags, an electronics bag and a crossbody small bag as well. And although they are not quite right for my type of travel, they are so good, I just thought I needed to share them with you as well. So the first one is the electronics bag here. And to be fair, I have heard of Tomtoc, but I've not seen these products before. The quality of this electronics bag is amazing. It is really thick and slightly waterproof as well, with a brilliant zipper on it. And inside here, we have got several compartments. So we have got somewhere for a pen. We have got 3 little compartments in here, kind of a little bit stretchy, where you could put a SSD card holder, or you could maybe put some small cables. In the bottom here, it's got a nice it's got a nice flat bottom, which means that I could stand it up on a desk while I'm working. It's got a little flap at the back there, which again, you could put in cables or such likes. And it's also got a zipper compartment here, which could be really, really useful, as well as a little grab handle at the back here. And I'll tell you why I've decided not to switch over. Mine is a flat electronics bag, which opens like a clamshell. Now, on my Cotopaxi 28 litre, I tend to stack one thing on top of another, so it's thin. So the way I'm packing it at the moment is the only reason I am not changing over right now. But if you are in the market for a new electronics pouch, I highly suggest checking this out. They have left me a promotional code, and coming up there is a Amazon Prime Day as well. So if you order using my code, which is in the description below, and I'm going to add it up here, but the clickable link will be down in the description, you can get some money off. So that's a good one for you. The next one they've sent me, and I love this colour, like I really love this grey colour. It's a little cross-body type bag, bum bag. And again, it is so well made, and it's water resistant as well. There is a little zipper at the front here with a keychain on, which is great. And I believe I've picked up my passport. I believe that you can fit your passport in this front pocket there. And also it's RIF, sorry, I'm not very good at this, but it means it's got a protection on it, which means that if somebody tries to scan your bag, they're not going to get any of your card or passport details, which is brilliant. I will put the details in here for you as well. At the back, there is another small little one, which will be closest to your body. I have found it slightly tight to get my passport in there, but give it a wiggle. It does fit in. And inside, it has got a zippered pocket, a main pocket where you could put a phone, you could put your purse or earpods in there. And I say, because it is water resistant as well, it's really good. Oh, and actually, I didn't see this. It's got two little hanging things here, which you could put a carabiner. So you could actually dangle a water bottle off it as well. And it's really, really good quality. Just a little bit small because I can't fit my camera in along with my purse and my phone. But I do believe they do a bigger one as well. So I will put all the details here. So this is the smallest one. And then you've got the next size up. So I think this is 1.5 litre. They do a 3 litre. And I have just actually heard that they're bringing out a new 10 litre bag as well, crossbody bag, which I think fits a laptop as well. Again, all the details are here and down in the description below for you. I hope you enjoyed those because they are really well made little bags. And as I say, if you're interested, all the links will be in the description below. So continuing with what I packed that I do or I don't regret bringing with me. Pair of cream trousers. I've worn them once. Probably wouldn't bring them again because they are too lightweight for here. When I had my night in Kuala Lumpur, I actually bought a new pair of black shorts. I would definitely bring those again because I have worn them a couple of times when the weather has been better. Packable puffer jacket. Took it all the way to Cambodia, didn't wear it. Have brought it all the way back, didn't wear it. Would I bring it again? I'm not sure. Do you know what? I'm going to carry on carrying it, but here I've got a great big thick coat if I need it. So with my jumper, to be fair, I probably didn't need that. And my black top, which I bought in a market in Cambodia, I have worn that a couple of times, along with my black scarf as well. While I've been here, I've bought myself a new pair of jeans, which are wonderful, and I had a pair that I'd left here. So I've been living in jeans since I came back to the UK. Oh, and I bought myself a new little white light shirt to take back with me as well. So that is all the updates, everything else that I brought with me, my camera equipment and everything, my laptop I've used. What else? I'm loving the new Uniqlo bag that I bought. The viral one, the half moon one, absolutely great for a night out. But if I want to carry a little bit more, this one has been amazing. So I can highly recommend that. Thank you very much for watching this little update. I just thought it might be useful for me to let you know what I have used, what I haven't used. It looks like I still pack too much, even when I think I'm packing light. And in the next one, I will see you back in Cambodia. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, that would be great. I will be traveling very shortly back to Siem Reap, and I will see you there shortly. Bye for now.